Problems were in the days of East India Company also, problems are today also, and will continue in tomorrow also.
Yes. So it will be there forever. Problems. They can't get rid of it. They should only learn how to live with it. That's it.
That utopia and that swarg, I don't know when will it be there. And I think even in heaven, gods might be having problems of this politics.
Right.
Nobody is free.
Okay. What is the biggest trend you're recognizing right now after this corona post almost like now almost 6 months later now, and also in the next 6 months, 1 year or 2 years now, right now, the biggest
Mhm.
trends that existing business owners or entrepreneurs or might be an upcoming entrepreneurs, you want them to position themselves.
They should take charge of themselves first,
Mhm.
and take a stock of their inventory where they are lacking. This is the right time. you
Mhm.
know Physically you are not that much active, so
Right.
now is the time you take care of your all problems which you have not been able to solve it. So post corona, there will be something else. As I first said, there will be, the almost economy and everything is crumbling. You go to the job market, people are getting fired, people
It's a
are
huge
not
unemployment
getting
now.
their salaries,
Yes.
unemployment. And then brick by brick this structure will be built again,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
because you can't say that now everything is gone. You will
Right.
start again. And as I said, uh, after corona, you will emerge stronger now, because sometime time people used to say, I don't have time for my family.
Correct.
General complaint was this.
Yes.
Now you have enough time for family.
All the time.
Rather
All the time with the
rather
family.
rather
Right.
rather they feel, when will this person go?
Correct.
So this is the time you should take care of whatever you have not been able to do during your, and start again.
Restart is the only way. Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody else is going to come and help you.
Yeah.
It's you and you alone who have to do this.
Yes. Why do you think you using the technology or online or automation or whatever you say um, is also an ideal decision for women entrepreneurs as well?
Women.
Yeah.
Well, basically, I never distinguish it like this. An entrepreneur is an entrepreneur.
Hmm.
Men or women.
Yeah.
They have the same kind of problems.
Yeah.
Both. Business is a business.
Hmm.
Business is not going to see whether you are a male or whether you are a female.
Yeah.
But as a woman, your responsibilities are twofold.
Hmm.
You have to take care of your home also.
Yeah.
Generally, in our type society, this entire burden is on the woman
Yes.
in families, cooking, and uh, although this is not an ideal situation, but
Yeah.
we have to accept whatever it is.
Yes.
So problems are the same for both.
Hmm.
I call business or entrepreneurship as an entrepreneurship.
Hmm.
You can't distinguish. Or I'll go one step further. If men and women and someone like in between also enters into a business, he will
Right.
also have the same problems.
Absolutely.
Gender has got nothing to do with the business.
Correct. Yeah. Any final thoughts about online entrepreneurship? Because now everything is 90% has been online itself. It's been huge penetration now across the world.
Mhm. Well, to sum it up, everybody has to equip himself or herself to be technologically equipped.
Mhm.
That's number one.
Yeah.
Number two, it's almost changing very fast. This technology, what you have today, it
Yeah.
may not be tomorrow,
Absolutely. It's
or
constantly
it may
changing.
not be in the it may not be the next moment you will have the same thing.
Yes.
So keep yourself updating, stay updated, because
Mhm.
you can't say I don't know how to operate a uh, what do you say, how to operate this mobile. You have to learn it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you sit at your home.
Correct.
So you can't do business now face to face, which is
Right.
not going to happen now.
Right.
Earlier people were not aware of this thing.
Mhm.
So they never bothered to think about this
It was always the face to face. It's completely upside down now. Yeah.
outsourcing. Now I think face almost is being eliminated.
Yes.
And I'll just give you an example. Both my sons, one is VP in a technology company, another is a director, he's a chartered accountant.
Okay.
They have not gone to office at all.
Yes.
They are dealing with their clients from their desk only.
Correct. Mhm.
And unless you are in some that medical business where you have face to face connect with that, you can't avoid. In such kind of business,
Yeah.
interface will always be there. But otherwise you must be ready to face this challenge.
Mhm.
Otherwise you are finished.
Yes.
Otherwise you are finished.
Any thoughts about this show, or basically the question structure, what we have, the conversation right now?
It was a beautifully structured, and
Okay.
you have conducted it so nicely
Okay.
with your smile, constant smile, I can say.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank-
so much.
yeah. It's been a pleasure to be with our guest, Yashpal Sharma. Uh, Thank you so much for your time.
I really enjoyed talking to you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.